My father was born in Odessa, but not actually in the city, you know, probably, you know, like one of the suburbs, if they had suburbs, you know. And two of his best friends were Marc Chagall and Paul Muni. And they said that when especially Muni, when Muni and him walked down the street, they were like twin brothers. Now Muni, of course, became a great actor, and Chagall, of course, became, you know, the great artist. Now, when they left, Muni and my father came to America. Muni developed into a great Academy Award actor, but Chagall went to France. But he was a poor, struggling artist. And my father and him corresponded. And apparently before he went, my father helped him with some money. And then, of course, Chagall became, you know, Chagall. So years later, when Chagall came to America, they used to meet all the time. I mean, they were like, you know, three best friends. And this is a great story. I never met Chagall, but my father used to, you know, meet with him all the time. And one day, my mother told me the story, that Chagall came and visited my father, and he was already becoming, you know, famous. His paintings were selling, you know, and he was, you know, a legendary artist. And one day they met, and he said to him, he called him Leonid, because that was his name in Russian. Leonid, he said, you've helped me a lot of times. If it wasn't for you, sometimes I wouldn't eat. He said, I'd like to do something. My father said, get it. He said, no, I want to give you something. My father said, what do you want to give me? He said, I want you to take one of my paintings. And my father said, no, you could sell that painting. And it was a private joke in the family for years. And this was like years later. And by that time, Chagall's paintings were selling for, you know, lots of money, hundreds of millions of dollars. I said, what? And we used to kid him, why didn't you just take one? And he said, he was my friend. He said, maybe if I would have known that they were worth millions of dollars, I might have thought about it. But it was, you know, it wasn't that, you know, I mean, you know, he was they were boyhood friends. So that was a great story about, and Muni and my father used to correspond all the time. You know, when Muni did, you know, he did those great, he did, I was a fugitive from the chain gang. He did Emile Zola. I mean, he became one of the great actors of the 30s and 40s. And he died in '59, but my father was talking to him all the time. They were very good friends. Three of them, they all came from the same little town in Russia.